This video will show you how a manager creates Upskill course in SQL Vision. Let's start a story with SQL Vision. With the e-invoice start date approaching at eStream Software Sendirian Berhud, the manager decided to organize internal training to help employees get familiar with the system. Open the SQL Vision and head to Manage Upskill. Click on plus button, select Create New. Title can be named Mastering e-invoice, Enhance Your Skills, and in the description, you can add on the course structures. Today, Mr. Jackson, a panel expert in e-invoicing, will serve as the lead tutor, with Ms. Vivian joining him as his assistant. The lead tutor role is assigned to one individual, while multiple assistants can be selected. Mr. Jackson will receive a 200 cash reward, while Ms. Vivian will be awarded 50 cash and 50 coins for her assistance. You can add more than one assistant tutor to help out. Just click the Add button. The Rewards by Session feature allows rewards to be claimed based on attendance. When turned on, participants must attend all sessions to earn rewards. When turned off, attending any one session is enough. For each session, the manager can set the course title, description, date, start and end time, and venue. If you want to expand or close the session details, just tick it. Click Next to proceed. Now, set the reward structure. Under Payment by, define the timeline. For terms, rewards will be paid either immediately or 1 month after completing the upskill. For settlement, set the selected months as the payout month to ensure timely recognition. For example, the settlement months for the company are June and December. For inclusive, ensure the selected month's rewards are paid as planned. For example, rewards for June upskills can be claimed in June or July. For exclusive, the selected months will exclude the reward claim for that month. For example, rewards for June upskills can only be claimed in December, not June. Set both training sessions to reward participants with 30 coins for attendance. The term to redeem the reward is 1 month. For the bonus reward, set the description as Performance Reward and give 10 coins to participants who complete the training. You can add more than 1 bonus rewards if needed. Just click the Add button. Click Next to proceed. If the Is Public button is turned on, the internal training is open for others to join. Managers can set a maximum number of participants and specify which departments and branches can view and register for the course. If the manager wants to assign specific people to participate, they can tick the employees to enroll them in the course. Turn on the Is Public button, set the packs to 9,999, and on the Visible to Everyone option. Meanwhile, you can also directly invite the people to join. For example, select Jason Tan and Nicole invited to join the course. Once everything is set, click Create to launch the course. Therefore, this is the overview of the Upskill program that was created. Click here to know how to claim the rewards of the Upskill program. The Upskill training is set. Let's see how the team improves their skills.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.